So we'll be doing the transmaleolar axis test on Garrett here, our pediatric patient. So first thing we would do is mark 2 dots at the most prominent points of the malleoli, and since they are not actually in direct line with each other, they're at more of an oblique angle, we need to make sure we measure back and forth, ensuring that we can get the exact width that they're different. So we have around 3 inches for Garrett, otherwise almost 80 centimeters. Now, taking that measurement, we'd make a direct tape measurement between that exact dot and the table. So in the case of the lateral malleolus, it is going to be about 5 centimeters. In the medial malleolus, about 6.5 centimeters. So that'll show that oblique angle again. And taking these measurements, we can see what kind of torsional aspects Garrett has on his tibia. And just in doing this, we want to make sure that he's always in subtalar neutral as well to ensure that we're getting the exact measurement we need. So next up, we're going to be doing the popliteal angle test. So to begin this one, I'm going to have Garrett raise his leg passively to 90 degrees. And lining up the stable arm with his femur, getting that joint. I'm going to raise the movement arm to line up with the tibia and take him to that muscle end range. So I feel a muscular end range. How are you doing, Garrett?
Tight.
Pretty tight, that's okay. And relax. So this measurement will show us how tight his hamstrings are. He's pretty normal for a guy his age, but kids will see a little bit more. So following that, I'm actually going to have you flip over on your stomach, Garrett. We're going to be doing the thigh foot angle next. So I had to roll up his pants or wear shorts. Lift the lower leg to 90. Bisect his femur based on our caliper measurements. Hold that for a second. So I'd bisect his thigh all the way up, ideally to match the femur. Find subtalar neutral with his foot. And draw a line on his foot, bisecting the calcaneus. And drawing a straight line between there and the second and third metatarsals. After we've done that, we can use our stable arm on our goniometer to line up with our measured line on the thigh and measure his line on his foot, and taking that difference as our thigh foot angle, which would give us a pretty good measure of torsion as well. Thank you.